Welcome. I shall be dealing with universal set and subset. And the universal set contains all the elements under consideration. The universal set is denoted by symbol mu or echelon. Mu, you can call it anything anyway, but echelon, mu and echelon. Subset can simply be defined as part of the universal set, denoted by this sign, this contained. I will give you an example. Supposing we have a set A that contains all the alphabet, that is A, B, C to Z. Now, this is a universal set, and it can be given, instead of writing A, I can decide to have it to be this, a mu. Now, or I can decide to write it as the echelon. Now, want to talk about the subset. The subset is simply a part of the universal set. If I have a B as a subset of the universal set A to Z, it simply means that I can have A, B, and D is a part of the universal set. And I can also represent it to be B is contained in A, or I can say B is contained in the universal set, or I can say B is contained in the universal set, which is the echelon. So, questions, I shall be treating the questions later on, but I hope this is clear. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.